going to be doing the drink taste test.
So we will taste 2 different types of drink and figure out which is which by using our taste buds. Round 1.
Round 1 is Dr. Thunder and Dr. Pepper.
Okay. Now B. Okay. Okay, I think A is Dr. Pepper and I think B is Dr. Thunder.
I agree with Alicia.
Okay, let's reveal. A. Dr. Pepper, I was right.
Yeah.
And now B. Dr. Thunder.
Yep.
Yay, we were right. High five.
Yeah.
Okay. Round 2. Round 2, we'll be tasting Twist Up and Sprite. Okay. I'll be.
Okay, I think the A is Sprite and I think B is Twist Up.
I think A is Sprite and B is Twist Up. I think. I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay, so my A is... Yes,
This
it was
is Twist
Sprite.
Up. Oh my goodness, I was wrong.
Yeah, I win.
Wait, yeah, I was wrong. No, okay, honestly, that makes this Sprite. Well, yeah.
Yep.
Round 3.
It's going to be Strawberry Sunkist versus Strawberry Fanta.
Now B.
It tastes really similar.
I know. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I think. What is this, A? Okay, I think A is Sunkist, Strawberry Sunkist. Which means I think B is Strawberry Fanta.
I think A is Sunkist. I think B is Fanta. Okay. Let's see.
A. Fanta Strawberry.
Yeah, Sunkist.
The Sunkist just, and this is Fanta Strawberry. What? What? Round 4. It's Coca-Cola versus Sam's Cola. And this is A. Okay. Oh, did I put my finger in that? Oh dear, no.
I think my A is Coca-Cola and my B is Sam's Cola.
I think my A is Sam's Cola and my B is Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Round 5.
We're going to be tasting Sam's Choice versus Dasani.
And we're going to see whether you have to spend your money on Dasani or Sam's Choice. It tastes like water.
Yep, tastes like water.
That also tastes like water. Water? Water? When it just tastes colder? Water? Water?
Come on.
Hold on, I just can't. Wait. This last one.
Come on. Okay.
Okay. I don't think I'm right, but I think I know something. Okay. See? Okay.
I know.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. I think this one is the sun. And I think this one is Sam's choice.
I think my A is Dasani and my B is Sam's choice. Okay, let's reveal. Yeah.
Ah, and I was wrong. I knew this was the Sunny. The Sunny is saltier.
Yeah.
The Sunny is saltier than the
Yeah,
other
and
kind,
Dasani
and
is
it left my taste buds dry. Why didn't I say the second?
Okay,
So I'm confused with myself. Why I didn't say the second was the Sunny? Because my taste buds were dry on that one. The Sunny is saltier than the other. I've learned that.
Okay, which one do you think is better, Sam's choice or Dasani?
I mean, water. This one just leaves you.
I-
This one
I-
leaves you your mouth drier so you can drink more of it.
Yeah.
This one is just like water with a
I-
hint of salt. So,
Yeah, I like this one better.
you know what I mean? They taste like water to me. Please like and subscribe below.
Also, comment down below any challenges, suggestions you want us to do.
Thanks for watching. Until next time.